day, everyone. When teaching online or in a hybrid setup, keeping our students' attention can be a challenge. Today, our team will going to demonstrate 3 powerful tools to make our lessons fully interactive: the Mentimeter, NERPAD, and Kahoot. Let's start Ramel Lessons Delivery Tool. Valerie, the floor is yours.
To begin our demonstration, I will introduce to you NERPAD, a platform that helps teachers deliver their lessons or interactive lessons more effectively.
First, I will open my browser and search for NERPAD. You can also go directly to the NERPAD website. As you can see on the screen, if you already have an account, simply click Login. If you are a new user, click Sign Up and follow the instructions to create an account. After logging in, this is the NERPAD dashboard. This is where you can create, manage, and access your lessons. Now to create a lesson, I will click the Create button. For this demonstration, I will upload a PowerPoint presentation. I will select Upload Files, then choose PowerPoint file from my computer. As you can see, the file is now uploading. We just need to wait for a few minutes. Another useful feature is the ability to insert videos, images, and audio recordings, and web content directly into the lesson. This makes the lesson more interesting and easier to understand. Now that we've successfully uploaded our PowerPoint presentation, let's explore what makes NERPAD truly interactive. As you can see, we can add quizzes, polls, open-ended questions, and other engaging activities that encourage student participation. To demonstrate these features in action, I would like to hand over the presentation to Ms. Paklipan. Ms. Paklipan, the floor is yours.
One important part of teaching is keeping students actively involved during discussion through interactive activities and quick assessment.
Now, I will show you how to add questions and activities in NERPAD. On the slides, click Add Content Activities. Choose the activity you want to use, like multiple choice, open-ended question, poll, and quiz. Type your questions and possible answers. For example, what comes to your mind when you hear the word multimedia? After typing the questions, click Save. Repeat the steps if you want to add more questions and activities. These activities help students participate during the discussion.
Assessment and follow-up activities are essential in reinforcing student understanding even after the lesson ends.
For my part, I will explain how to add assignments and share the lesson in NERPAD. To add assignment, choose an activity or questions that the student need to answer after the lesson. Click Save and Exit after finishing the lesson. Click Student Pace if you want students to answer activities at their own time. NERPAD will give a code or link. Share the code or link with the student so they can join the lesson. The student will type the code in NERPAD to enter the class and answer the activities. That is how to use NERPAD step by step.
For quick brainstorming and instant classroom interactions, teachers can also use engaging platforms that encourage every student to participate. Now, I will introduce to you the Mentimeter.
Good day, everyone. Today, I will give a short step-by-step guide on how to use Mentimeter. First, open your browser and go to the Mentimeter website. Sign in to your account or create one if you're a new user. Second, click New Presentation to start creating your presentation. Choose a template or start with a blank presentation. Third, add slides by selecting question types such as multiple choice, word cloud, quiz, or open-ended questions. Fourth, customize your presentation by adding text, images, or changing the design and theme. Fifth, click Present to start your interactive presentation. A code will appear on the screen. Lastly, ask participants to go to the Mentimeter website and enter the code so they can answer using their phones or devices. That's the simple step-by-step guide in using Mentimeter.
After the discussion, reviewing the lesson can become more exciting and competitive through game-based learning tools like Kahoot.
Kahoot is a game-based educational tool used by teachers, students, and even professionals to make learning more exciting. It allows users to create quizzes, surveys, and discussions that participants can answer using their phones, tablets, or computers.
Creating interactive quizzes is a fun and effective way to measure students' understanding and participation. Now, let's make a quiz.
Inside the Kahoot Creator dashboard, I am now setting up a quiz game for our class. Let me show you the step-by-step process. Step 1, opening Kahoot. So first, I open Kahoot and log in to my account. After logging in, I click the Create button found at the top of the dashboard. And then step 2, choosing quiz format. Next, I select quiz because we want to create multiple choice questions for our students. Step 3, adding the title. Now I type the title of our activity, Multimedia Interactive Review Quiz. I can also add a short description and choose a cover image to make the activity more attractive. So step 4, creating questions. So here I begin adding questions related to our lesson about multimedia. So type sample question. Question is, which multimedia tool is best for live classroom games? Choices A, Nearpod, B, Mentimeter, C, Kahoot, and D, PowerPoint. And then I click the correct answer, which is Kahoot. Step 5, setting timer and points. After creating the question, I set the answering time limit for essay questions. I can give students 20 seconds. I can also enable points so students earn scores based on speed and accuracy. Step 6, adding more questions. I continue adding more questions connected to our multimedia topic until the review quiz is complete. Kahoot also allows us to insert images and videos to make the activity more interactive. Step 7, saving the quiz. So once everything is finished, I click save so the quiz is ready for the class. Step 8, starting the game. To begin the activity, I click start or host live. Kahoot then generates a game pin that students can enter on their phones or laptops. Step 9, students joining. So students simply go to Kahoot game, join, enter the game pin, type their nickname, and they are ready to play. Step 10, playing the review game. So as the quiz starts, students answer questions in real time. Scores and rankings appear instantly on the screen, making the review exciting and competitive while helping reinforce learning. And that is how we create and launch an interactive Kahoot game for the classroom.
To help everyone to participate in the activities, the link for Nearpad and Mentimeter Kahoot will be shared on our group chat.
I will show you to distribute the link step by step. First is open Nearpad, Mentimeter, or Kahoot and log into your account. Second is create or select the activity, lesson, quiz, or presentation that you want to use. Third is launch the activity and generate the share link or join code pin. Then fourth is copy the link or note the code pin provided by the platform. The fifth is open the communication platform that we use, just chat as Messenger, Facebook group, or Google Classroom, or email. Then the 6 is paste the link or type the join code pin in the message. Then the 7 is send the message to the student. Then 8 is instruct the student to click the link or enter the code pin to access the activity. Then thus is confirm that the student have successfully joined and are ready to participate.